Sanjeev?
Hi, Siddhartha. Hi, Siddhartha.
Raji,
Okay, okay, shall we assume that Sanjeev has called it to order at his home? He's there, right?
Let's start the meeting.
So before we start, on behalf of the club, I would like to offer our condolences on the passing of Nandita Bansal's father, PTG Rotarian Bansal. Can I ask PTG to say a few words about him?
Can you hear me, Sujata?
Yeah, can everyone hear you? Yeah.
That's nice. Yeah, friends, it's very with great deep grief and great we inform about the sad demise of Rotarian past governor Rajendra Kishore Agarwal, and he was 83 years of age. In fact, he was born just short of 5 days short of his age. The 9th of July he was born. He left for the heavenly abode this morning in Delhi. Of course, as you know, Nandita, his daughter, has been a very active Rotarian, past president of our club. And Rotarian Agarwal was a very active Rotarian right from the young age of 25. As a charter member of the Rotary Club of Allahabad in the district 3120, he has always held Rotary close. He has served the organization in every capacity from Allahabad. He lived a story to tell. Like they say, you can take a man out of Rotary, but you cannot take Rotary out of a true Rotarian. He was one such. He stands tall to his this testament. Today we fold and prayer and seek blessing from the to protect every man's heart. One day his lungs did breathe a final breath today, and what man did in his life makes the blood pulse through the body of others and makes them bleed deeper and some life, then his essence, his spirit will be immortalized. Actually, Nanda has told us a lot about her. No, I mean, of the club, Nandita analyst, and he has involved her in a number of programs of Rotary Club. He said she has at age 9 she has given a dance program in her club. That's all in Allahabad, like that. And then this gentleman, Agarwal, Mr. Agarwal, became a past governor in the year 1997. That is, sorry, he became a governor of the district in 96-97. He was a batchmate of my brother, P.T. Prabhakar, who was also governor at that time. And through Prabhakar, I've heard that Governor Agarwal was very popular in the whole batch. There were about 27 districts at that time in India. So there would be 27 governors. They would all treat him as the leader of the group. And then he had a lot of respect. And even many, many years after, they laid down office as governors, they had the past governors group, and that everybody would look up to him as a leader because he was such a fine gentleman. In a big memory of a life so beautifully lived and a heart so loved, we miss Rotarian Rajendra Kishore immensely. And thank you very much for the opportunity. Let us pray for the soul to reach the heavenly abode. Thank you.
Shall we observe 1 minute silence in his memory? NK, would you like to welcome the guests?
Yes, very, very good evening to everyone.
Welcome to this fabulous evening. I think this is one occasion where I say Mid-Citians are truly happy. We have so many fellowships and all, but in my short stick in the club, I find the installation day, everybody is truly, truly happy. And I think there are multiple reasons for it. The old president or the president for till today is very happy to move to the elite club of past presidents club, which I have been hearing. So I am also elated to be a part of that from today on. Mid-Citians are quite happy because they have found a new bakra or scapegoat. A new bakra doesn't know how many crocodiles are waiting for him or her. So anyway, new bakra is happy. So in general, overall, it's a joyous evening for us. So with great pleasure, I welcome everyone to this evening, and especially to the guests who have joined, even past Mid-Citians who have joined. So I'm not sure how many people have joined, but the list, I will read it. Even if they have not joined, if they join, again, we'll welcome them. I understand, welcome to our past Mid-Citian, Dharma. I don't know if Dharma is joined. We welcome you, Mr. Dharma. Ms. Dharma. Okay. Madhu and Monica, they have joined. A warm welcome to you. Yes, they have joined, surely. Arun Sahib, I don't know whether he has joined or not. If he has joined, a warm welcome to him and his family. Shiba. And then Rotarian Venkatesh. I don't know whether he has joined. Otherwise, we'll welcome him again if he joins us. AG Sri Kumar. If he has joined, then a warm welcome to him as well. Okay. Okay. Mr. B.D. Pandey. Warm welcome to you, sir. It's lovely that you have joined us. Some noise is coming. KC Pandey and Uma Pandey, in-laws. Oh, warm welcome to you also. So it will be a proud moment for you to see Nandita getting facilitated. Now with these words, I will hand over the ceremony back to our... Sorry, somebody's saying to me.
Sanjeeva,
Okay. So
Sanjeeva, please mute.
Okay. So with this, I will give it back to Sujata.
Thank you, NK. So shall we start this part of the program with a prayer by Annette Meenakshi?
Rajiv?
காணவேண்டும் கமல கண்ணனை காணவேண்டும் கமல கண்ணனை காணவேண்டும் கமல கண்ணனை கார்முகில் வண்ணனை கண்ணனை கார்முகில் வண்ணனை கமல கண்ணனை கார்முகில் வண்ணனை நந்த நந்தனை கார்முகில் வண்ணனை நந்த நந்தனை காணவேண்டும் கமல கண்ணனை கார்முகில் வண்ணனை நந்த நந்தனை காணவேண்டும் கமல கண்ணனை கண்டவுடன் கண்டவுடன் காண்போர் நெஞ்சினிலே கண்டவுடன்
Thank you, Meenu. What a beautiful start to the program. Thank you. Now, can our outgoing secretary
Like, going to come in, they have made we kind of thing.
Anup, over to you.
Thank you. Good evening, friends, and welcome, AG Sri Kumar. Nice to have you here. And I will just share my screen for my secretary's report. Is everybody able to see it? So, one, I think it was a wonderful year, wonderful experience for me to be taken in as a secretary. I remember just some time back, PTG referred me as a green Rotarian. And I didn't know that within a year and a half, I would be dumped with a role of a secretary. But I think I've done a decent job. I'm sure the benchmark set earlier by Rajiv, I've come at least close to it. So anyway, without any delay, let me go to the secretary's report. I'm only doing a summary of what I've actually shown earlier on the governor's visit. So for a lot of you, it might be repetitive. The community services summary. As all of you know, that we have two projects, Kachur and the Mogapair school. AG Sri Kumar, we will obviously work together a little closely, so we'll be updated with all the projects that we're doing. So this is just a summary of what we've done last year. So community services, the contribution for Kachur from our club and from our members is about 37.5 lakhs. We've done contribution to the Mogapair school for about 2 lakhs, which is basically on maintenance mode. For COVID-19 relief work, we have contributed about 5,78,000, which also includes the $5,000 for the joint global grant with Rotary Club of Gildi. And we've also built boys and girls toilets at the Kachur school. It was in terrible condition and needed to be fixed urgently. And we spent 1,20,000 for that. And in Mogapair school, where there were about 450 students, Dr. Kurian, our own the incoming secretary, had conducted a dental camp, and we spent about 20,000, most of it sponsored by Dr. Kurian himself. We've also had the girls basketball team from the Mogapair school, coached by the Rotary Club of Chennai Capital. We've always tried to involve Rotractors and Interactors for various of our activities. So we had Archie Institute of Management and Entrepreneurial Development, our Rotract, to conduct an hygiene workshop for the girls at Mogapair school. We've also participated, these are the district activities that we have also taken part with. Polio bus poster campaign during World Polio Day, and Fuel a Dream Polio campaign. We contributed 102% of the target. This is a crowdfunding program. We've generated 76,300 rupees. And we've also, for the International Women's Day, we contributed 6,000 towards the sewing machine distribution. This is just a summary of what we have done for the whole year. We've spent, or the club has invested about 44 lakhs in various projects, including the joint global grant and PHF. PHF, we've contributed about $1,500 US. Club services summary, we've had 9 speaker meetings, 7 external guests and 2 in-house speakers. We've had 10 fellowships, 8 physical fellowships, and 2 on Zoom. We've had 16 firesides, 1 club assembly, and 1 AGM. The latest news is that the Chennai Club of Rotary Club of Chennai Metro had Madras Metro, sorry, had awarded E-Chakra as the gold medalist for all the news bulletins in the District 3232. Hats off to Srija and Senith for taking us from bronze to gold. Thank you. Youth services, we've had the Interact installation and the Rotaract installation. And of course, I mentioned earlier, the hygiene workshop conducted by Archie's Institute at the Mogapaya School. Vocational services, obviously, a lot of us know, and even people in the district know about Vyapar. It is a mid-city initiative. It's a unique business networking forum where all Rotarians can exchange their ideas and build their networks. There are about 250 members now, and it's steadily increasing. They've had 9 physical meetings and 3 on Zoom. International services, we've had our first international fellowship to Kuala Lumpur arranged by Rotarian Deepak, past President Deepak, where 37 Rotarians and ANDs went on this lovely trip. Apart from the fun, we also had 3 flag exchanges at Kuala Lumpur by President N.K. Mehta. And we've also had 3 flag exchanges at Sri Lanka when he went as part of the district to see the Dhanvantri project. And thank you. Hope to see you again very soon during the skit. Thank you.
Thank you, Anup.
Back to Sujata.
Okay. Thank you, Anup. And I'm sure we'll see you again very soon. It's been an eventful year, we can see. Now, Mehtaji, before you join the elite group of past presidents, would you like, no? Mehtaji, before you join the elite,
Yes.
can you hear me? Yeah, so before you join the elite group of past presidents, would you like to say a few words to the group?
Sure. Yes, so good evening once again to everyone. First of all, I would like to say thank you to our veteran Ashok who introduced me to Rotary and to Mid-City specifically. That was 4 years back. So thanks a lot, Ashok, for introducing to this beautiful movement called Rotary. I wish I would have joined 20 or 25 years back. Things would have been different. But nevertheless, age is not a factor. I'm happy to be one of the 4 years back, one of the youngest entrants to the Mid-City, not by age, but by heart. Then I would like to thank you, all of you, who gave me opportunity to serve you as a president, even though I was only 3 years into Mid-City. So I can only say that it was a privilege accorded to me. And I hope I try to do some justice in last 1 year, though I was very new in terms of Rotary world. A lot of veterans were there in the club. Whatever I could learn from them, I tried to implement. And one thing is, maybe it was a blessing in disguise that I didn't have much experience. So I started looking into a new way of serving you. So I really enjoyed serving you all for last 1 year. A lot of things I learned personally while serving you. And it was a wonderful year spent together. I think Anup has already briefed the year in a nutshell. We have already covered this as a part of the closed door meeting, so we'll not go through that. But few things which I enjoyed, very quickly I'd like to say that I really loved serving during the COVID, where I had to go and meet and distribute all rations and see how things is going on. So I surely enjoyed the trip in Sri Lanka, where I learned about so many projects which Rotary clubs are doing, and Rotary clubs in India are doing in Sri Lanka, and such a large scale. Global grant was also something which was very good, though we want to do our own, but then fine, we worked as a part of the RCC Guindy Global Grant Project. International trip is also an enjoyable event because that was the first time we ever did it Mid-City. And the icing on the top was the E-Chakra Gold. I think that I will love to say again and again, because that was something we took it as our target, as a KRA. If people would have read the E-Chakra, the article which I have written for them specifically, we took it as a target that this year we want to win gold. Last July we had decided and we worked on that. Not me, I will say the editors, Srija and Senate, and they brought gold to us. I have also unconfirmed report that Mid-City may get a citation for this year. with presidential distinction. I'm not sure, but somebody told me that it's going to happen. I'm not sure if that happens. It's good for the club. Really, really proud to get that for Mid City. So with this few words, I would like to thank all my board members who supported me nicely, especially the trial group. I will miss that trial group for sure. Thank a lot, Nandita. I think I interacted most with you, apart from the secretary. Everybody else we interacted, but the most was surely with Nandita because club services is important. It was fun working with you. So I'm very, very happy to see you as the incoming president with your new board. So before I, go into the elite club of past presidents, I welcome you and your board. I'm sure you are going to have a rocking year ahead, and Mid Citians will enjoy your, signature and will remember for days to come. Thank you once again to everyone who has joined us from, somebody has joined from Japan, Nandita's husband and their family, and other guests who have joined, and other officials, district officials who have joined. Warm welcome to you once again, and thank you very much for coming. Look forward to a great year, Nandita. Take care. Back to Sujata.
Thank you, NK. It was a wonderful year. We all enjoyed it, and wishing you all the best. Now, NK has very happily said thank you, bye-bye, and gone off. But Nandita, I don't know, has she got a board? I think when I last heard, she's still hunting for a board members. Anything happening? Does anyone know? Rajiv, do you know?
Raju.
No? Can't hear me?
No idea, Sujata.
No idea.
I only hear about president. I've never heard of.
President without a board, huh?
Yeah.
Put it in a bowl and
Close the door.
What do you do?
Freezer door.
What are you going to do?
No, I think we should pin the president because president is the only one available. So let's pin her and then see what happens.
We pin the president. Okay, fine.
Yeah.
So, NK, would you like to? Yeah, we request you to please pin virtually our incoming president, Nandita.
Oh, this is a, unique experience how to pin virtually. I would have loved to pin her personally, but fine. Let's accept that we have pinned virtually. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. Nandita madam, welcome. Wow.
Oh.
So the pinning is happening. So nice. Thank you. Thank you very much.
This is pinning with social distancing.
Wow, this is great.
Rajiv, I thought it was a skewer.
Yeah, looks more like a murder weapon at the moment.
That's what exactly it is.
This is what
Right now.
One minute.
Right.
Take a photo. Yeah.
Okay.
Great.
Yeah. Great.
Thank you. So Nandita madam, officially you are made the scapegoat. Congratulations.
Thank you, Mr. Mehta. Do I have a choice?
Now no. Till yesterday you had.
Not anymore.
Why did you not say that yesterday?
I would have continued. That's all. I could have helped you. Trial group I would have
I
continued.
can just reverse this pin.
Now no more. Now the pin, you are pinned.
Okay. Thank you, Mr.
Good.
Mehta.
Congratulations.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Pleasure.
Yeah. The
Is
old
it going on YouTube?
Yeah. Probably we'll have to change a banner first. No.
Sujata, next, can we do the pinning of?
Okay, since let Nandita find her board first, right?
No.
Okay, go ahead. Nandita, all the best.
No, she can pin the immediate past president. Then we will do the banner change.
Okay. Okay. Fine, Nandita. Nandita,
A reciprocal pinning.
all ready to pin. And
Same pin back to me. Oh my God.
And
Wow. See the mischievous smile on Nandita's face. The photo is especially made.
I don't know how Rajiv managed these pictures, but yeah, I need to
And the way she's pinning him right into the
That is revenge.
The fact that she's got a rainbow ribbon in that picture.
Oh, wow. This is great.
Mehtaji, nice time in the past president's group, but there's a lot of expectations from you being the IPP. You cannot run away like you claim your predecessors to be.
No, but how do you learn? We learn from You're the
You
past
said
presidents, right?
for
Deepak's
the club, and I would request you to please maintain the same when it comes to IPP also.
great people like RK, Deepak have given me, the wisdom that what IPP should do. This is a year for you to relax and enjoy.
Okay.
Not accepted.
We'll do the banner change.
Yes.
Great.
New one.
Wow, Tamil, way to go.
Can we?
No.
Okay, now the suspense, yeah. So we have the new banner in place. All the best to the new team. But the suspense is still building up. There has been a link which is sent around to everyone. Has everyone received the YouTube link?
Yes.
So shall we get onto it? 2 minutes. Huh? Okay, just a minute.
Anup, ready, yeah?
I'm ready. Everybody else ready? I'm going to mute everybody. So
How many people are logged in, Anu?
Only 24.
Only 24. I
Yeah.
think.
Anup, unmute everybody and ask if anyone has a problem before we start.
I can't unmute. I can only mute them. Please unmute yourself if you have an issue, please.
Anup, can we try playing it here also in case
No,
other people have any
we've
problem?
tried. We've tried.
We have tried. Okay.
Yeah. We've tried this. We've tried Google Meet. It just didn't work.
Okay.
There was a lot of buffering, freezing on the video. Audio was okay. Video was very bad. 27 people watching. So should I? There are 50.
39 confirmations, no?
Yeah, there are 51 participants here in this in the Zoom. So we've got only 27 watching now. So can we?
That's probably
Anybody?
sharing the screen.
Possibly, but we've had 39 confirmations. So 38 people definitely should be there. 30
Don't pause the YouTube video. Let it be in play mode.
Yeah.
Because it's already streaming. It is just streaming that banner. That's all. So don't pause anything. Just open the link and then leave it there.
Typically, it should say, oh God. It'll say live. I don't know how many of you can see. It'll say live here. If there's a red dot next to it, you're live. You're watching it live. If there is no red dot, you've actually paused it or rewound it or whatever.
And click on the play button and let it be in play mode. Don't pause it.
When do we start? Start now?
We can, but if there are only 30 people watching now. Everybody okay with it? Please unmute yourself. Tell us if you have a problem. There are 36 people watching now. So should we start or should we wait for 2 more minutes? Ramji, you're okay? Thomas, you're able to see. AG Srikumar, you're able to watch it.
Anup, nothing is happening. I'm trying.
Who's this?
Richa.
Richa, tell me.
Nothing. I'm just getting the screen and nothing is happening on the screen.
Even on my screen, this is Sunil.
This is what you should be able to
showing
see.
installation. Sorry.
Yeah, that is fine. That is what you should see.
Okay, Rajiv, all the best. Hi, Srija.
My screen is what you should be able to see. If anybody is not able to see this, you have a problem.
Yeah, I can see this.
Yeah.
Then you're live. And
okay.
if it says live here, if it says live here,
yeah.
This live here.
Yeah.
Live, it says live here.
No,
Don't
it
pause
doesn't, but there's no light.
Don't pause it. Let it be in play mode. Just be playing.
So can I
Hello?
mute everybody? Yes. Yeah, PDG.
No, here my TV that live is there now, but the red button is not on. I mean, all this is there.
No, you're on the TV, right?
Yeah, on the computer screen. Yeah.
No, computer should automatically just make sure that the cursor is on the right. If you, I don't know whether you can see it again. I'm not able to show this and work on it simultaneously. Just make sure that this is on the extreme right, the red dot. It's on the extreme right.
Extreme right?
Full screen.
Yeah, that has become full screen now.
Yeah. And there is a, I don't know whether you can see it now. There is this red dot, you can move it to the right, extreme right.
This is how it should look. You can see
The
my.
red has gone to the right. Yes, it has moved to the right.
Yeah. It has moved.
So can I start the play then?
Yeah.
How many have logged in, Anup? Just
37. 37.
Okay. So it should be in play mode. Please watch.
Yeah, it is in play
Your
mode.
screen should look exactly like this.
Yeah, it should say
Don't
live
pause
here.
it.
Yeah.
Don't pause it. It should be like this. Just look at this button. You should be
No,
seeing
Bala,
this.
it is in play mode. This is the button for pause. So it's
Rajiv,
already
will
in
start?
play.
Yeah, you should see the pause button, not the play button. If you're seeing the play button, please click the play button. Okay, nothing will happen, but then just press the play button and leave it. Okay, when Anup starts, it will start.
So I'm going to mute everybody. All okay? Everybody has got the YouTube running?
Yeah.
I'm going to mute everybody first. Anybody not okay with it?
Okay, please start. Please start.
Thank you.
Okay, there is a small glitch. Anup is fixing it. Please stay online. നിർത്തി കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ ആദ്യം അവരോട് റിഫ്രഷ് ചെയ്യാൻ വേണ്ടിയില്ല. നിങ്ങൾക്കൊന്നും ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റില്ല. Same link work ആവുമല്ലോ അല്ലേ? Okay, started. Okay.
Nandita, you know who your friends are now, no? You know. Hey, but it is good. And I like the way Rajiv happily pinned it onto Vijay in the end.
Sujata, you have to unmute again. I've allowed everybody to unmute now. So, welcome, Nandita. Welcome.
My God, even the Baba's blessings.
You want to personally come and kick anyone, or you're okay with it? Nandita?
Not right now. I will handle the people separately.
Nandita, I was just doing what the director asked me to do.
Yeah, we'll talk separately.
You've heard of something called passing the buck?
In hostel language, that is Bahar Aaja, dekh lungi.
Shrikant knows it. He's been there, done that, right, Shrikant?
Anyway, congratulations. All the
Congrats,
best.
Nandita. All the best.
Congrats, congrats. Priya, well done. Well done.
Okay.
Congrats to all the members.
Okay, Nandita, now that you're all set, can I ask Deepak to introduce you? Nandita, are you sure? Deepak?
Yeah, Deepak has got 160 bottles of 160 liters to help him.
Yeah, so it's a very interesting task. So let me start. See, before I start, I should say that I wanted to do a lot of correction to whatever I had. But then when I saw the entire family there, I decided that it's better that I stick to the original script. So I'll avoid all those stuff. Nandita, sorry, I think you expected something more. I'm not going to add all this. All right, so Nandita was born to Bansi Dar and Santosh Pandey, and she was the older of the two sisters. I think there was a lot of...
somebody has a TV on. Somebody has a TV on.
Deepak, you can unmute yourself again. I muted everybody.
Okay, am I audible now?
Yeah.
Okay. So she was born in Delhi where her dad was on deputation. She belongs to the state of Uttarakhand. Her dad was in the electricity board, state electricity board, and her mom, a housewife who spent most of her time as a volunteer in NGOs and taking care of their extended family. She claims that she was her dad's favorite daughter until a few years back when all the attention and affection of her dad moved to his eldest granddaughter, Himanshi. Both the sisters were given the best of everything. That is Nandita and her sister, education, parties, travel, sports, dance, music, theater. But she was the one who got everything even before she asked for it. Her dad just knew what she wanted and she was given that. The favorite child of her father. An incident she recalls vividly is when she was nervous. Her dad asked her if she wanted an ice cream. She never ever said no to ice cream, mangoes or chocolates. With no ice cream in the house, her dad went to the parlor owner's house at midnight to get the parlor opened so that she could get what she wanted. That's how she was pampered by her father. Another incident of how she had to just say was when she joined Home Science College in Agra, where she was staying in a hostel. 3 months into the course, one late night, she was teary-eyed that she does not like the hostel or the people. She would not relate to them. Next morning, before the college started, her friend's dad had come to pick her up, and she went straight back to Lucknow by the noon train. Nandita was not away. We see her in Rotary today. She claims that she was a quiet, disciplined child. Now it's very difficult to believe all that, but that's what she claims. And she detested social gatherings, believe it. She was happy with her books, never wanted to write one. Sports, dance, and working for the UP government's initiative on child education. She was a tomboy and continues to be one, and did not like to dress up at all. And I don't know how she wrote a book on dressology, and avoided any social or political events that her family went to. Her mom was told by her kindergarten teacher that she will not go ahead and school because she can't speak in English. She got 90 plus in her boards in class 10 and 12 in English, and went on to become the deputy head girl of the prestigious La Martiniere Girls College and the president of their social service wing. She learned Kathak. This is something which we have not seen so far. Maybe in the next meeting, next physical meeting, we'll have a Kathak session by Nandita, and went on to play badminton till district level. She performed on and off stage. She graduated from IT College, Lucknow in psychology, English and economics. She was a member of the UNDP program for literacy in UP. She's a great multitasker. In her college, she went out to meet Bhupesh. This is a known story for a lot of people. They started dating much before they even met. Did a diploma in systems management, diploma in fashion design, and traveled across India for youth festivals. Her love story with Bhupesh is a fireside discussion. Right before her marriage, right after her marriage, she moved with Bhupesh to Japan, where she enrolled herself for lots of courses to understand Japanese culture, and in the bargain became became a certified Japanese language level 3. Marriage did not stop her from having a child. She went on to do her MA in psychology and postgraduate diploma in business management from IMT Ghaziabad. She has worked in Fortune 50 500 companies like NIIT, G Capital, R.R. Donnelly, and Daimler India in the role of training and HR. With Bhupesh quitting his job in Delhi, she followed him with a 2-month-old Priyanshi and 2.5-year-old Himanshi to Pune. 2 years later, Bhupesh decided to escape to Japan. Decided to join a company in Chennai. She, like a Pativrata Indian wife, left a roaring consulting work in Pune and made Chennai her home. She quit corporate career to start as an entrepreneur in 2011. With a failed business behind her, she started again in 2014, never to look back. With a major major strength being Bhupesh, the girls and her dad. She has authored 2 books, consults companies and HR, coaches CEO and celebrities on personal branding, public speaking, performance management. She was always fascinated with Rotary, and she finally got a chance to join the only club she liked in the district. Within 6 months of joining, she was inducted into the Mid-City board, which she claims is a big thing, and held various positions. She is a PHF and also supports women group and girl child education initiatives back home. She is a proud mom, loving wife, who loves having fun with her girls. Not the father, I'm talking about the mom. And they are her best counsel, greatest admirers, and ruthless critics. That's one of the reasons why Bhupesh is still sticking on to the Japanese geisha or something. I don't know what is the name. He doesn't want to come back home right now. Geisha, yeah. Rotarian friends,
You know.
I present to you the President of Rotary Club of Chennai Mid-City, Nandita Pandey. Let's welcome her to the seat of the President. Nandita, good enough?
The masala was fabulous.
Masala was fabulous. I really don't know where to go now.
Deepak.
Vanga, President.
Deepak.
Welcome.
Deepak.
Yeah, I can hear you.
I did not understand one thing, what you said. Marriage did not stop her from having children.
That's what she has written, so I just read it.
How is that? I mean, I don't really am confused.
Alaji, why are you confused? Oh, sorry, Sandeep.
That is Japanese way. That is Japanese way.
Ah, yes, the geishas.
Yeah.
That's what I think others know more about them.
Yeah.
Sujata, back to you, Sujata.
Yeah, Nandita, would you like to say a few? Hi, Nandita.
Anup.
Yeah, who's calling?
Hi, Anup.
Dinesh, tell me.
Yeah,
Anup.
Yeah, Dinesh.
Background noises. What is that?
Lot of background.
Background noises.
No, please mute everyone.
Please. Now it's okay. Back to Sujata. You're muted.
Okay, Nandita, over to you. So let's have a few words from the new incoming, the new president.
Thank you, Vijay, Rajiv, and the team of actors for preparing me for the coming year. If I've survived this skit, I'm sure I will survive the year easily. I would like to appreciate the senior members of the club who finally convinced me to become a scapegoat for this year. I accept this responsibility with full commitment and dedication. My entry into Mid-City is a story for another day. The warmth and the love that I've received from all the members over the years has given me the courage to stay back alone in Chennai with the girls, with Bhuvesh moving to Japan. I've always felt that I was part of a bigger Mid-City family. I feel blessed for having supportive Mid-Citians during my stint as Director Club Services, and I'm confident that all of you will continue to love, support, and guide me this year as well. I would strive to do my best to take the legacy of Mid-City forward with a fantastic and proper, well-dressed board to my credit. The focus would be to give the members a great experience and would take forward the school projects. The camaraderie amongst us and our vision to support girl-child education has seen Mid-Citians do wonders in the Mogapai School project. And I hope these unprecedented times would not deter us to fulfill our commitment to a cause that we all believe in. I request the support of all of you to help raise funds for our school project and also enjoy in the process. Thank you once again for the trust in me.
Thank you, Nandita. Thank you, Nandita. I'm sure you'll have a wonderful year ahead and the whole of Mid-City behind you, including your well-dressed board.
Yes, I need them for the next book.
Okay. Now this board that you've selected with so much difficulty, would you like to introduce them?
Sure, would love to do that. Okay. So I will start with Mr. Mehta. I think, and I'm genuinely saying what I've written here. It is not what the script spoke about. Okay, so let me just put a disclaimer here. I would start with Mr. Mehta. I think he has raised the bar and the expectation of each Mid-Citian of what is expected of a president has just gone up because of him. So welcome to the board, Mr. Mehta. Do I have to pin him again or it's fine?
Yeah,
Thank you,
that's
Nandita.
fine. You can
You
move on.
didn't have choice though.
Yeah, you've already pinned him.
You're already pinned, Mehtaji. Dr. Kurian is the secretary. I would like to welcome him. Dr. Kurian's commitment and dedication was evident in the dental camp, and I'm sure he would actually surpass Anup when it comes to being the secretary this year. So welcome to the board, Mr. Dr. Kurian, and I would like to pin you. So how do I do that? Virtual pinning?
Hey, just hold on. Just hold on. Just hold on.
Okay, sure.
So Kurian, just hold out your hand, that's all.
You can see my screen?
Yes, we can.
Yes, that is Kurian.
Welcome to the board, Kurian. The joint secretary is not here with us, but a man who's awesome with numbers and analysis. I think he fulfills the role of the joint secretary. Beautiful. Welcome on board, Govardhan, and wish you get well soon. So you can have him there. Thank you. Next is this treasurer, Rotarian Sushil. He's a silent player who has been there, done that, and has done it effectively and efficiently. Welcome to this board, Sushil. Okay. I don't honestly know whether Mid-City can actually get a better club services director. And I'm honestly saying that because he's a guy who thinks out of the box and he is the man. Neighbors envy, Mid-City's pride. Welcome on board, Rotarian Rajiv. Director Community Service, Rotarian Anup. He's been my go-to man for last year, and I cannot fathom anybody else for community services this year because the focus of this year will be the school. So welcome on board, Anup. We need to do some things again this year. Director Health, the doctor who smiles and who does not look like a doctor, and makes it easy to run health camps. Welcome on board, Dr. Naren. Director Youth Services is Madhuri. I think a person can always mistake her as a schoolgirl, but she's extremely sincere when it comes to work. So young at heart, always young for all of us. Welcome on board, Madhuri, as Director Youth Services. When it comes to vocation, I think the whole club knows it's only and only RK, with Karmegam taking a backseat this year. So welcome on board, RK, and a lot of expectations from you this year for Vyapar. So welcome on board. The person who enjoys travel, the capacity of organizing amazing international trips. Welcome on board, Rotarian Sumit as International Director, Services Director. Now I must say this, when I was told that I have to take over as the president, I had only one condition, and that is if Deepak agrees to be the club services, the trainer for me, I will take it up. So reason being, I've seen his year, he's made amazing changes in Rotary that year. And this year again is going to be a challenging year. So Deepak is the go-to person for me. So welcome on board as the club trainer, Deepak. He's an excellent counsel and an amazing person to know. The man who's been at sea knows how to guide and take the ship to the harbor. It would be not the boat, but the ship of Mid-City, and nobody else but Sergeant at Arms is Santana Krishna. Welcome on board, Santa. We have chairs this year, and when I was thinking of names, these were the only names that came to my mind because these were people who've been there, done that. They believe in the cause, they know Mid-City very well, and they are ready to go that extra mile. So for TRF, the chair is Bijoy. For fundraising, the chair is Nandita Bansal. For memberships, it's Sridhar again. Polio is always synonymous to Tamil. Public image is Ashok, and special projects, that's Project Orange, is Thomas. Welcome on board, please. And thank you for being a part of this team, and thank you so much. Welcome on board, everyone.
Thank you, Nandita. And now we see the old secretary handing over the charter to the new secretary. So Anup handing over to Dr. Kurian. Okay, so now that the board has been introduced, it is my pleasure and honor to welcome and introduce our chief guest, AG Rotarian Sri Kumar Sampath Kumar. Rotarian PHF Sri Kumar is the past president of Rotary Club of Madras, Coromandel. He has held several posts at the club and district level. A sales and marketing professional, he has worked with global brands for 25 years. Only 25 years, young guy. He founded a social enterprise under the brand CareFinder in 2015. CareFinder looks for solutions to challenges that older people face today. That's a wonderful idea, and I wish you all the best in taking it forward. He's also dear to Mid-City because he's a very regular Vyapari. AG Sri, could you please welcome, and could you please share a few words with the club?
Well, I think it's a very, I'm quite floored because it's a very, very different, installation, and it's beaten the rhetoric, and it's nice for a change. It's been very nice. And I'm happy that I was not the Bakra. So that way it's been good. I have known Nandita for a very short time, but she's been so full of life. I mean, I know her as a person from Vyapar, but the entire team, and Santa used to be my co-president. So I think the club is phenomenal, and I'm happy that I'll get to know more about you during this year, and look forward to working with you all, and best wishes.
Thank you. Thank you, parents. I'll ask the new secretary, Rotarian Kurian, to make his announcements and the vote, and give the vote of thanks. Over to you, Kurian.
Good evening, everybody. A few announcements to be made. PTG and Mira's anniversary was celebrated on the 1st, as well as Naren's birthday. Birthday wishes to all of them. And tomorrow is Sri Hari's birthday. On the 10th is Rupa's. On the 11th is Meena's. So many happy returns of the day to all of them. And happy anniversary to PTG and Mira too, which was on the 1st. The Vyapar meets will be conducted on the 13th and 27th of this month. And the next meeting of ours, the speaker meeting, will be on the 18th of this month. Further announcements will be on the 18th and later. Now, vote of thanks. A very big thank you to AG Rotarian Sri Kumar to have taken time off and come and spend so much time with us. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Thanking everyone for their presence today. Nearly a full house. Every single one of them. Starting with Meenakshi, who very wonderfully rendered the invocation song. Congratulating Rajesh for my impersonation. Thanking Rajiv for the script. And each and every one of the players for their roles to perfection. I must add, an immense amount of technical work and support has gone into this. A lot of searching for avenues to post the whole thing successfully. For all of us who have been watching, it was a seamless, good evening which went by, but the amount of work which went into it, appreciable. And thank you for everybody. And that's about it. National anthem, do we sing, or it's already 9 o'clock? I think after 9 we are not supposed to sing the national anthem.
Yeah, it's just 9. So
I think we can close the meeting. Thank you, everyone. It's been a wonderful evening. Okay, so and the meeting is
Thank you, Sujata, being such a wonderful MC and helping prepare the program and all that. Thanks.
Guys, thank you.
The formal evening is over.
And all the best,
Guys,
Nandita.
thank you guys, and fantastic.
All the congrats to the new board. Yeah.
Excellent job.
Good luck, guys. Good luck.
So we are 47 minutes early. Who wanted to drink? 47 minutes early. Srikanth?
My drink is over. My drink is over. Now I'm going for dinner.
Yes.
We are going to start now.
It was very nice.
Party
Because, probably a challenge to get it together. We got to rehearse and everything online.
Okay, I'm stealing Madhuri's.
Bye. See you.
Bye, guys. Hey, what does everything
Yes,
What is it, Srikanth?
Good job, Priya. Very good job. Rajiv, good direction.
Next movie, you can be my heroine and not Manju Warrior, Priya.
This is
Thank you, Srikanth.
Rupesh, Kiran pee rahe ho?
Sapporo.
Sapporo, okay. Kampai.
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 Great.
Nandita, you're on mute. मुझे पता है तुम मुझे गाली दे रहे हो, but you're on mute.
No, she's not. Why is not showing? Say, Nandita.
वो तो बहुत सालों से बोल रही है, तेरे को बाद में देख लूंगी.
Nandita, कुछ तो बोलो.
Hey, Nandita, was your dad there or not? I couldn't see.
Bhupesh, say a few words, man. A very important evening for you.
Yeah. So, what should I say? Whether to thank everybody for making Nandita president, or whether to, make my life more difficult, because she's now going to have a wonderful excuse of being always busy with Rotary. Not that she was not till now, but now because she's the president now. But anyway, congrats to her and to all the board, and hope we have a good year. Although this is going to be a difficult year because of COVID and other things, but I hope Rotary will continue in its spirit and will do the good work.
Hey,
And
Bhupesh.
let's have more Zoom meetings. Yeah.
Bhupesh, enjoy with the Gisha girls, yeah. Have fun.
Yeah. Sure, you come here. Yeah. I will introduce you also.
Bhupesh, your footloose.
Japanese visa है, मैं सोच रहा हूँ, लेकिन India is right now under one of those red countries. You can't come there.
Yeah.
But visa तो है.
Visa है ना फिर ठीक है. Actually,
I think within Bhupesh is happy that Nandita is now stuck for a year now.
You can have your own interpretation, Rajiv.
We will meet separately, Bhupesh. You have to
Yeah, sure.
Do that, then you can talk to her.
Demonstrating is very simple. She's just noting down. कौन क्या बोल रहा है? देख लो. Right, Nandita?
She's taking minutes.
Bhupesh is ambassador for dressology in Japan.
Where is the same?
Bhupesh, don't come back. Have fun.
When did I say not on the body? When did I say not on the body? I thought it's not the boss. Who thought that you tell?
Fantastic, Rajiv. Fantastic script.
अरे बाप रे, नंदिता पी रही है.
Rajiv, good for Rajiv. Good.
Hey,
मेरा कुछ नहीं होगा, पूरी bottle चाहिए.
You're training him at home, huh? Srikanth.
Yeah.
He's done a fantastic job. Are you training him at home?
Training.
No, those reactions, it comes so naturally. So I know that every day he's doing it. Otherwise, it will not come.
For those of you who don't know, Srikanth had to wear 5 t-shirts to look like me.
Look like?
And then, I was actually surprised because there was this part when I was taking off all those 5 t-shirts one by one. I really had to wear 5 of them. Seriously. But yeah, Anup, inspiration.
and cotton stuffed in your mouth.
Cotton in the mouth.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, all stuff in the mouth and all. We have blooper videos. I'm sure Rajiv must be compiling them now. Shrikant, Bijoy, Nandita, you don't know how many times Bijoy said, "Hello, Priya. Hi, Priya."
I mean,
Behind the scenes video also, Rajiv.
Not many.
Bloopers.
But Priya, you did a damn good job. Huh?
Oh, that was very good. Very good. Thank you. Very good.
Priya, none of those were from Fab India. Huh? Sorry.
No, none of them from Fab India. Oh, Anup is playing the bloopers, I think, now.
Oh, we better go on mute.
Hey.
Who wrote the script?
Rajiv.
Oh, great. Also, it was done by Bijoy.
Hey, Priya.
Hi, Bijoy.
How's everything?
All good. Cheers.
Yes, yes. Hey, Macha, heard you are the.
Bijoy, you said Priya.
Ayyo.
What? I didn't understand this. What is this?
That capsicum is never ending.
And what's the capsicum supposed to do?
He does work at home. No, he cooks.
Hello.
Hi, Santa. How are you?
Hi, Nandita. Pleasant surprise.
Santa, you know, I am now the new president of the club and I am looking for suitable candidates for the key positions. And you know, whoever I spoke to, everyone suggested that I should have you on the board.
By so many people thinking that I could be useful to the board. Anna,
I can't.
Need to render it.
I don't remember which else is there, so I'll have to see.
I'm glad you.
Hi, Rajiv. Great script, Rajiv. Enjoy. Great performance.
Hey.
All of you. All the best.
No, most of the
Great.
script was done by Bijoy. Huh?
As in created by or acted?
Created by Bijoy. Then while we are acting, we've changed some modifications.
Whatever Rajiv said,
Hey, you know.
I was a director's actor. I have to say that in my defense. Nandita, I hope you're listening.
No, I'm not.
My phone battery is really low.
You see the we passed.
Priya, great performance, Priya.
Nandita,
Good job.
Thank you.
I'll send the script with you. Okay, you see what is there in the script and what actors have really done. Okay.
Yeah, best.
Here in the script is only half of
It's being a lot more, inspirational than, following the script. I think she's ad-libbed quite a lot based on her assessment of who you are. Huh? I think it's her problem. आजा बाहर देख लेता हूँ
बाहर देख लेती हूँ
I have to say that Anup put in was phenomenal.